In the depths of night where shadows roam, a tale unfolds of shattered dreams we own, once filled with hope. Our hearts soared high, but now they lie broken beneath the sky. Whispers of promises, once sweet and clear, now echo as fragments of what was once dear. Dreams we nurtured with tender care now lay shattered beyond repair. The skies above, they weep and sigh as shattered dreams pass us by. In the wreckage, we search for a spark to mend the pieces, to light the dark. But alas, the shards cut deep and true, leaving scars of pain, a haunting residue. What once was whole, now scattered and torn, leaving us wondering where we went wrong. Yet, through the sorrow, a glimmer remains, a flicker of hope amidst the pains. For in shattered dreams, we find the strength to rise again, to go to any length. With every piece we gather and hold, a story of resilience yet to be told. For shattered dreams can still inspire, burning within an eternal fire. So let us gather the broken dreams and fashion a tapestry stitched with stings. For in the mending we find our way to a brighter dawn, a brand new day. In shattered dreams, we learn to find the beauty that lingers within the mind. For dreams may shatter, but they can mend, a testament to the human spirits in the end. So, hold your shattered dreams with care, for they hold the power to repair. In each fracture, a lesson lies, that dreams can rise again like the sun in the skies.